What to do if WhatsApp messages are not coming. So if your WhatsApp messages are not coming, like not receiving, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. And once you open, you need to scroll down and go with the apps section. Under apps, you can simply go with WhatsApp or go with see all apps and then search for WhatsApp. And here you will get this kind of interface. You just need to simply go with notifications. And if you're facing a problem with WhatsApp messages, then it means that you've not turned on the notifications. So first, make sure that you've turned on the notifications. Just go and toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, then you'll be able to receive your notifications. So once you've done this, now most of the time this will fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with storage and cache. Go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, just go back and open up your Play Store. Under your Play Store, you need to search for WhatsApp. Once you've searched, you need to tap on WhatsApp. And if you have any updates under your WhatsApp, you just need to simply go and update the application. Once you've updated, you need to go and restart. Simply press and hold on to that power button. Restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your WhatsApp messages are not receiving or not coming. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.